Two of the most popular cashback credit cards go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Citi Double Cash. Earn up to 2% cashback on everything you buy. And on the right, Capital One Quicksilver. Get instant, easy 1.5% back everywhere. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which card comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So here's our roadmap. Brace yourself. We're comparing these cards on cashback rate, welcome bonus, consumer perks, foreign transaction fees, intro APR, tech and customer service, and, annual fee. Simple stuff, but each one totally matters. All right, first up, the big show, cashback rate. So, Citi Double Cash scores you up to 2% cashback everywhere. But here's the catch. It splits the payout. You get 1% when you buy, and another 1% after you pay your bill. So if you're the kind of person who pays off stuff on time, it's like maximum value. Now, Capital One Quicksilver keeps it easy. Just a flat 1.5% cash back instantly. No need to wait for that final percent. But yeah, overall, if you want maximum cash back and don't mind waiting, Citi Double Cash takes it. Let's jump to a welcome bonus. Citi Double Cash is rocking a $200 cashback bonus. Well, technically, it's 20,000 thank you points after you drop $1,500 in the first 6 months. Sweet, right? The catch is you do have to redeem those points, not straight cash. But it's a chunky bonus. Quicksilver usually gives bonuses too, and they're easier to snag. But honestly, it's a smaller amount than Citi Double Cash. Citi takes the win again. Next, consumer protections and perks. Okay, Citi Double Cash, it's got you covered for the basics. Fraud protection, mobile app, free FICO score, not bad. But Capital One Quicksilver, it goes bigger. Purchase security, extended warranty, plus no foreign transaction fee, which is actually massive if you travel. But heads up on the higher variable APR. Overall, Quicksilver wins here for those beefed up protections and perks. Oh, and here's something cool if you didn't know. Citi Double Cash only gives you that second 1% after you pay off your purchases. So the cashback is split. Meanwhile, Quicksilver, it dishes out 1.5% cashback instantly every time you buy. Timing is everything, right? Speaking of travel, let's talk foreign transaction fees. Super blunt, Citi Double Cash slaps you with a 3% fee for anything international. Ouch. Quicksilver, totally fee-free outside the US. Like, take this thing global if you want. No contest. Quicksilver wins this hands down. So next, we've got intro APR offers. Citi Double Cash rolls out a super solid 0% intro APR, but only on balance transfers, and it lasts 18 months. That's a long window, but no intro APR for purchases. Quicksilver answers back with 0% intro APR for 15 months, and that counts for both purchases and balance transfers. Slightly shorter, but more flexible. Honestly, this one's a tie. Depends if you want a longer transfer period or coverage for purchases. All right, how's the tech and customer service game? Both have super friendly apps, 24/7 support, and access to free credit scores. Citi gives you FICO, Capital One gives you Vantage Score. So really, not a huge difference. No clear winner here. Last, but definitely not least, annual fee. The best kind of fee is none at all. And shocker, both Citi Double Cash and Quicksilver are, totally free. So you don't have to sweat this one. Easy tie. Okay, let's look at all those scores side by side, where Citi Double Cash rules for pure cash back and bonus, and Quicksilver flexes on perks and international spending. Visualizing these strengths really shows what sets each one apart. So, you know what? If you're all about maximizing every percent, especially if you pay your bills in full, Citi Double Cash earns you the most straight-up rewards. But for instant gratification, better travel perks, and if you don't want any surprises abroad, Quicksilver is the smoother ride. It just honestly depends on how you spend and what matters more for you. Was this comparison valuable? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to bookmark so you catch more smart financial choices in 2020.